Unit current electricity. Topics covered: series combination of cells, parallel combination of cells.
A series combination of cells. Suppose we are having two cells having EMFs E1 and E2 respectively, internal resistance R1 and R2 respectively, and they are connected in series. Now see, in order to connect them in series, we, as it is shown in the diagram, we are making the connection this way. Now the potential difference across AB, that is VAB, is given by E1 minus IR1. We have already studied about this expression. The total potential difference for a cell is E minus IR. So for first cell it is E1 minus IR1. Similarly, the potential difference across BC is VBC, and it is E2 minus IR2. Then the total potential difference across the combination, that is VAC. It is the sum of VAB and VBC, sum of potential difference across AB and across BC. This is the property of series combination that you have studied for resistances and capacitors as well, that the potential differences in series combination, total potential difference is the sum of individual potential differences. So we add up the two expressions and we get E1 plus E2 minus I R1 plus R2. So here E1 plus E2 is the equivalent EMF of the series combination, E equivalent, and R1 plus R2 is obviously the equivalent resistance of series combination, equivalent internal resistance, I equivalent. So this is for two cells, and similarly you can write for n cells as well. The next is parallel combination of cells. Here we are taking the parallel combination of cells having EMFs E1 and E2 and internal resistances R1 and R2. And since they are in parallel combination, both are connected across A and B, so the potential difference will be same, that is V. But the currents will be different, let the currents be I1 and I2 respectively. And total current across the circuit or combination I is the sum of I1 and I2. Now for first cell, the potential difference is V, and can be written as E1 minus I1 R1, and for second cell it is V again, because same potential difference is there, but for second cell it can be written as E2 minus I2 R2. Now from using 2 and 3, we can find the values of I1 and I2. It should be 3 and 2. Using 2 and 3, we can find the values of I1 and I2 both. So when we solve equations 2, we get the value of I1 in equation 4, and on solving 3 for I2, we get the value of I2. Now we use 4 and 5 in 1. Using 1, 4 and 5, we can say total current I is I1 plus I2. Now I1 plus I2, on further rearranging the terms, means taking the terms with E by R to one side and minus V by R to other side. V is taken common and minus V is taken common. So we see the value of I is this, expression for I is this. Further, on rearranging the terms, again I send V to the other side, becomes positive, and I comes to the side and becomes negative. And then we overall we are finding the value of V, so we transfer 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 to the other side, and this 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 is nothing but the reciprocal of resultant equivalent resistance of parallel combination. It can be written as cross multiplication R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2. So we send it to the other side. So overall we find the value of V. On further solving, this will be E1 R2 plus E2 R1 this way upon R1 R2 divided by this. Now you see R1 R2, how I do this, I'm solving this one. V is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2. So R1 R2 gets cancelled, and what remains is E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 plus R2. This is what we have obtained from the solution of the expression. And the second term is minus I upon this. So on taking the reciprocal, it inverts and we get I R1 R2 upon R1 R plus R. Now this has taken the form V is equal to E minus IR, where this term represents the equivalent EMF, E equivalent, and this in second term this value represents the equivalent resistance for parallel combination, as we are well aware. In this way, equivalent EMF for parallel combination is given by this expression, and for equivalent resistance for parallel combination, internal resistance, is given by this. And for N cells, you can write this for equivalent resistance, and for N cells this expression is also applicable.